Hi and welcome to Stealth Security. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 7 cybersecurity certifications. Cybersecurity remains one of the fastest growing fields today, and for a good reason. The need for skilled cyber defenders grows as our lives and businesses go digital. A cybersecurity certification will boost your skills and your value to employers. So if you're new to cybersecurity or want to specialize, here are top 7 certifications to advance your career. The first is Certified Ethical Hacker. The CEH certification from EC Council is a great starting point for anyone interested in ethical hacking. CEH teaches you to think like a hacker. It helps you to find and fix security flaws in systems, and it covers a range of hacking tools and techniques that attackers use. You will learn to scan networks, find vulnerabilities, and exploit flaws. You will even perform some social engineering attacks. The goal is to secure an organization's systems. The CEH is not practical, it's theoretical. It consists of 125 multiple choice questions, and you will have 4 hours to finish it. CEH is ideal for beginners and IT professionals who are trying to shift to cybersecurity, and the cost is approximately $1,000. Next is CompTIA Pen Test Plus. Pen Test Plus focuses on penetration testing and vulnerability assessment. CEH gives you kind of a broad view of ethical hacking, but Pen Test Plus focuses on the actual skills you need to conduct penetration tests. To pass Pen Test Plus, you must know how to plan a pen test, exploit vulnerabilities, and suggest practical security improvements. The pen test exam has multiple choice questions and performance-based tasks. You will need to show practical skills, not just answer questions. So CompTIA has designed the certification for those with some IT or cybersecurity experience, and it costs approximately $400. The next is Cybersecurity Analyst Plus, also from CompTIA. So this certification focuses on threat detection, analysis, and response. CYSA Plus is a defensive certification, while Pentest Plus is more focused on offensive security. CYSA Plus is for professionals who want to identify and reduce threats before they cause major security incidents. It teaches you to monitor the network, analyze data for threats, and respond to attacks. CYSA Plus exam is also a multiple choice question paper. They test your ability to interpret data and take action. CYSA Plus is best for those with some IT or security experience. It costs the same as Pentest Plus, around $400. Next is the Offensive Security Certified Professional, also called as OSCP. OSCP is highly respected in cybersecurity community. It's known for its tough, hands-on approach. OSCP teaches you to find, exploit, and document vulnerabilities in real-world scenarios. The OSCP exam is very unique compared to other certifications. Instead of multiple choice questions, you will spend 24 hours hacking into a series of virtual machines. You must document each step you take. This format tests your technical skills and ability to stay organized under pressure. It's best for those with some pen testing experience who want to advance their career. OSCP costs around $1,000 with 1 month of lab access. Next is Certified Information Security Manager, which is CISM. CISM is for those seeking management roles. CISM does not focus on technical skills. It centers on managing an organization's security strategy and aligning its business goals. The topics in CISM will include risk management, incident response, and security policies. CISM is a great choice for those with a few years of experience in cybersecurity. It will help you to move into a leadership role. So CISM exam consists of around 150 multiple choice questions. It covers risk management, information security governance, information security program development, and incident management. All these concepts relate to a managerial role. This certification will show you how both the tech and strategic sides of cybersecurity work together. And this certification costs around $750. Next is CCSP, or Certified Cloud Security Professional. As more businesses move to the cloud security is now critical. The CCSP certification focuses on securing these type of cloud environments. CCSP covers data security, cloud architecture, compliance, and risk management. It gives you a complete understanding of how to secure cloud-based platforms. So CCSP is obviously ideal for IT professionals working in cloud security. This certification requires some experience in cybersecurity and cloud computing as well. CCSP costs around $600. Finally, we have the Certified Information System Security Professional, CISSP. CISSP is highly sought after in cybersecurity. It's for experienced professionals. So CISSP covers many security topics like risk management, cryptography, network security, security governance. CISSP offers a deep and broad understanding of cybersecurity. It's ideal for those seeking senior or leadership roles. And the CISSP exam is also very tough. It has 100 to 150 questions on 8 security domains. It requires you to have both technical and managerial skills. So unless you have at least 7 to 10 years of cybersecurity, it's not advised to take the certification. CISSP is like a gold standard certification. It can open doors to high-level roles like Certified Information Security Officer or Security Director. So, which certification should you choose? The right certification depends on your experience and career goals. CEH or CYSA Plus can give you a solid foundation if you're just starting in the field. If you want to specialize in pen testing, take Pen Test Plus or OSCP. CCSP is to help you prepare for cloud security roles. If you're eyeing the leadership or strategic roles, CISM or CISSP will provide more management-focused knowledge you'll need. Hope this video helped you to understand the different cybersecurity certifications. If you want to learn how to start a career in cybersecurity, check out the Hacker's Handbook. If you want to learn hacking real-world systems and get help from other hackers, join the Hackers Hub. See you soon with a new topic.